Security is being tightened at the Supreme Court building in Washington following a leaked draft opinion on overturning Roe v. Wade. Now, this comes as President Biden and Democrats scramble to protect abortion rights for women nationwide. Elise Preston is just outside of the Supreme Court building with more on all of this. Elise, good morning.
Anne-Marie, good morning to you. With the Supreme Court likely just 2 months from stripping away Roe v. Wade, protests here outside the Supreme Court, as well as across the country, are intensifying, with voices on both sides getting louder.
New tall fencing was put up around the Supreme Court overnight, the latest sign of the growing conflict nationwide, as Americans in about 24 states will likely lose some or all abortion rights if the court overturns Roe v. Wade later this year.
Time is of the essence.
One of those is Michigan, where a law from 1931 will go back into effect, making it a felony to perform an abortion. Republican state legislators blocked Democrats from repealing the law. Now, Governor Gretchen Whitmer is asking the Michigan Supreme Court to step in.
I'm using every tool at my disposal. I'm going to fight like hell to protect this right for women.
By making people vote on this issue that matters to so many people, we've got a chance now maybe to change the makeup of who's in the United States Senate.
Some of the arguments in the draft opinion have President Biden raising questions about what else is at risk, like same-sex marriage.
What are the next things that are going to be attacked? Because this MAGA crowd is really the most extreme political organization that's existed in American history. In recent American history.
Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt, who signed a bill this week prohibiting most abortions after 6 weeks, says the court is right to leave it to the states.
We do not believe that 9 unelected people can make a decision for all of Oklahoma.
The court's final decision is expected in June or July.
Meanwhile, it is unclear this morning how the investigation into the leaked draft could play out or if criminal charges will be pursued. Anne-Marie?
Yeah, that ought to be interesting. Elise, so listen, you mentioned that congressional Democrats are looking at what they can do in Congress to protect abortion rights and abortion access, but they really don't have the numbers. They're going to hold a vote anyways. Why?
Well, they're holding this vote. It is largely symbolic, but the party's leadership does believe that there is political power behind it. They want the American public to see how exactly elected officials fell on the vote. This comes, mind you, Anne-Marie, as midterm elections are just around the corner.
Of course, want to put everyone on the record. Elise, thank you very much.